Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Verv. Verv, found at verv.com/move, is a movement-based app designed to encourage physical activity through personalized workout plans. Unlike traditional fitness apps that often focus solely on intense training, Verv emphasizes short, accessible exercises integrated throughout your day. This approach aims to make fitness a sustainable part of your life, rather than a daunting obligation. The app offers a variety of workouts, including yoga, Pilates, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, catering to different fitness levels and preferences. A key feature of Verv is its personalization. The app takes into account your individual goals, fitness level, and available time to create a customized workout plan. This tailored approach helps to ensure the workouts are challenging yet achievable, maximizing your chances of sticking with the program. Verv also offers guided meditation and stretching sessions, recognizing the importance of mindfulness and recovery in overall well-being. These additions contribute to a holistic approach to fitness, addressing both physical and mental health. Further enhancing its user-friendliness, the app provides clear instructions and video demonstrations for each exercise, making it easy to follow along, even for beginners. Another notable aspect of Verv is its emphasis on integration into your daily routine. The app suggests short bursts of activity throughout the day, encouraging you to move more even if you don't have time for a full workout. These micro-workouts can be anything from a quick stretch at your desk to a few minutes of stair climbing, helping you to accumulate activity throughout the day. While Verv offers a free version with limited features, the premium subscription unlocks a wider range of workouts, personalized plans, and progress tracking. Whether or not the premium version is worth it depends on your individual needs and budget. Overall, Verv presents a unique approach to fitness, focusing on short, accessible workouts and personalized plans to help you incorporate movement into your everyday life. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their fitness level in a sustainable and enjoyable way. Be sure to check the link in the description below.